Crusher Tuesday workout. First, we're going to talk about, again, how to lose weight, a good way to lose weight. Something most people don't think about, but it's very, very important to losing weight is sleep. If you're not getting enough sleep during a night, you're not going to lose weight. If you're getting 4 or 5 hours of sleep a night, you're just going to keep retaining fluids, you're going to have stress that you're not getting rid of. You're probably not going to have the willpower to not cheat and not have the little snacks, the little Hershey Kisses, or the little tiny Twix bars at your job. You need to get sleep. Sleep is not only important for health, for fat loss, for repairing your body. The work we do in here, if you don't go home and get a good night's sleep, your body can't fully repair and you can't come in here healthy the next day and do it. You know, if you're getting 4 or 5 hours of sleep a night, you really, really need to prioritize things. You just can't be a healthy person and you will not lose weight on insufficient sleep. We should at least be getting 7 hours of sleep a night, ideally 8. That means if you're going to bed at 10 o'clock, you need to get up at probably 6:30 or 7. Because you're going to be stirring throughout the night. So even though you're in bed, laying in bed, especially if you're like going to bed and on your phone for 30 minutes, but the time that you're asleep, if it's 6 or if it's 8 hours, you got to assume probably 30 minutes to an hour of that is spent in somewhat of an awake mode anyway. And you just need to know that you need to be in bed, asleep, trying for at least 8 hours a night, at least, probably 8.5. That means if you're an early morning riser, if you're a 6 a.m. class attendee or 5 a.m. class attendee, you should be in bed by 8 o'clock at night. I know it's tough and that's tough to do, but that is important when it comes to losing weight and staying healthy. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Might be more and more research coming out, might be the most important thing we do for our health, period. More important than coming to the gym, more important than eating right, more important than anything is sleep. So if you're neglecting sleep, you need to reprioritize some other things. Stop watching the late night show, stop watching Game of Thrones, stop watching sports, get to bed. Essentially, I'm saying stop watching TV because, frankly, it's a waste of time. You can better serve your time sleeping. All right, enough of that preach. Tuesday's workout, we're going to do a little teamwork. So we're going to go front rack lunges. We're going to do 5 mats. So you see the mats on the floor. You're going to lunge 5 of those mats in a front rack position. When you get to the end of the gym, you'll dump the barbell. It's supposed to be teams of 4, ideally, or maybe it'd be teams of 2, some of the classes. But you'll go 5 mats down, you'll dump the barbell, your teammate will pick it up and they'll lunge back down the floor. Dump the barbell, another team member will go back and forth, you keep going back and forth. You can change weights as needed, but for yourself, that lunge should be pretty heavy. Getting to the end of the floor, I would say you should be able to complete it unbroken, but it should be challenging to lunge to the other end of the floor. So the weight's up to you, and it's gonna be teams of 4, and you're gonna do 4 lengths per person. So down, back per person. It might take a little bit of time with teams of 4, but we'll have 20 minutes or so to get that done. After that, the Metcon is going to be 3 rounds, 15 front squats, somewhat light, 135, 95, taken from the ground. We're not using the rack. You should be able to clean it. And then 30 burpees over the bar. And as I'm reading that, that's going to take a lot longer than the time that I expected. So you guys that hate burpees, you might get your wish, and I might dock that down to like 20 burpees over the bar. There's gonna be 3 rounds, front squats and some burpees over the bar, and that'll be your Metcon for a Tuesday. Get some sleep.